Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage submittal in Procore. Submittals help you to check if materials, equipment, and systems are right for your project. Procore has a tool to make this easy. It helps contractor, subcontractor, architect, and engineers work together. So first log into your Procore account and now let's get started. Create and assign your submittals, then go to submittals tool in your project, then click create submittals and then fill in the title, types and specific section. Now assign it to the right team member and subcontractor. This helps people know what to do and by when. Now add files like product data, drawing or material sample. Now you can apply the files from your computer or your Procore docs. All files stay in one place and this makes easy to find later. Then set up, review and approval workflow. Choose due dates and let Procore send email alerts. This helps think on time and clear. You can also track the status of each submittals. Is it draft, submitted, reviewed or approved? You can filter by status, who it's for and when it's due. This helps you to see what is done and what is not. Then export and share the submittal log, and this shows the full history like who said what and when. Procore helps you to stop using messy email and lost paper. It has smart workflow and send reminder to the team. And this saves time and stop costly mistake. So for big project, Procore is a great tool. It helps with document control, teamwork, and automatic updates. If you're working in a construction in 2025, learning submittals in Procore is very important. So start using it today. It gives you more clarity and control in your project. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.